just going to do a quick little overview of the RokBlokz here. I did a full installation video. It ran way longer than I wanted to. I wouldn't watch the whole thing, but let's check them out. Alright, so we're back here at the rear, and I will tell you that the rear of these for the 2015 Frontier, as easy as it gets. And these things, so it's raining here in Ohio today, and this truck is the cleanest as it's ever been after rain. So I had 0 issues with the rear. 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws. You got 1 push pin that you gotta take out. And up underneath, you got 1 little thing you gotta put back there. Like I said, that is as easy as it gets for rear mud flaps. So up to the front, this is where I had some issues. I had issues with my top bracket, but nothing a little grinder couldn't take care of. I had some issues with my clear tape. That was probably me. But you got 1, 2, 3, 4. These 3 are real simple. And there's 1 up underneath here. Biggest thing is, for me, where I work here in Northeast Ohio, horse poo, the Duke. And you've probably seen it in my installation video. I might flash a little picture here. But it would come off this front tire and be down the side of the truck and up the rear fender. Fitment, other than a bracket, these things are awesome. They're a little pricey, but go buy some universals that you have to cut and trim yourself. Good luck. At the end of the day, if you're looking for a good set of mud flaps, rigid, lots of coverage, these things are cut out for your vehicle. They bolt right up, and maybe you gotta do a little bit of your own, but way easier than doing universals, cutting, drilling. These things are awesome. They look great. RokBlokz, great product. I hope you keep moving forward. Thanks for watching.